Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use PUBG Gyro. Gyroscope aiming is a game changer, offering superior precision and faster reactions. By tilting your device, you gain fine control over your crosshair, which is much more accurate than just using your thumbs. This method helps you acquire targets quicker, especially in intense close-quarters combat. It also significantly improves recoil control, making your weapon sprays much smoother and deadlier. You will track moving enemies with greater ease, giving you a distinct advantage. To begin, navigate to your game settings and enable the gyroscope feature. You have two main options: Scope On, which activates gyro only when aiming down sights, or Always On for constant activation. For beginners, Scope On is often less overwhelming. Remember to calibrate your device on a flat surface to ensure accurate sensor readings. Start with a high sensitivity for close-range scopes, like 400% for a red dot, and gradually decrease it for higher magnification scopes, such as 50 to 100% for an 8x scope. Consistent practice is key to mastering the gyroscope. Dedicate 15 to 30 minutes daily in the training ground. Begin with a moderate sensitivity setting and make small adjustments, increasing or decreasing by 5 to 10% until it feels comfortable. Focus on drills like hipfire tracking, maintaining tight spray patterns, and executing quick sniper flick shots. To prevent shaky aim, emphasize using your whole arm for movements rather than just your wrist. This builds muscle memory and improves overall stability. For advanced play, integrate your thumb for broad, 180-degree turns and rely on the gyroscope for precise, micro-adjustments. A stable grip and posture are crucial to minimize involuntary device movements. Many professional players utilize a 3- or 4-finger claw grip, which frees up fingers for simultaneous actions like shooting and peeking. A clever trick for headshots is to aim at the enemy's chest. The weapon's natural recoil will often elevate your aim to their head, securing more eliminations.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.